What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So I've been getting a bunch of requested videos to test things about the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So in this video, I have a request to do sound comparison between the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So this one gonna be a very good one here, right? So I have both devices with Dolby Atmos turned on, and I have the loudness is turned all the way up on both devices, so it's no excuses. So let's have some fun with both of these devices. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. So I hope you enjoyed the sound comparison between the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So here's my thoughts of me listening to both of these devices in my studio. The Galaxy Note 20 Ultra was better in all ways. Better bass and better clearer sound. Now, don't get me wrong, the Galaxy S22 Ultra was very good and it was almost close, but the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra beats out the Galaxy S20 Ultra in this comparison. So you guys know it's no fluff, no passes here on this YouTube channel. Just because the device is new don't mean that it's better at everything. So I keep it real on this channel no matter what. But the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, in my opinion, wins out. This edge out over the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is what I'm hearing here in this studio. So I really appreciate all you guys' comments and video requests. Look, I'm working on a bunch of them, so stay tuned and subscribe. This is the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.